Here's the shower location. I wanted the shower faucet hardware and pipes against an interior wall so I could have future access to the hardware if ever needed. Here's the bedroom. This is the closet space. With the faucet side against the bedroom closet, I made a small access door in the back of the closet with a few leftover one-bys, a piece of plywood, 2 hinges, simple barrel lock, and rubber seal. Okay, just made a simple door. This is the one in the closet. Just to have access to anything. See, I put this rubber weather strip seal around here and stapled here just to seal it tight all the way around.